What's going on, everyone? This is Steve with Momentum Marketing. I want to talk to you today about a quick topic on how to increase client intake. So I'm going to show you a common way that you can really ramp up the amount of calls and intake that you get in your firm, which can result obviously in more cases. Okay, so I'm going to show you what a lot of firms do and what a lot of firms don't do that can really make a huge difference. Okay, so what typically happens is you have advertising and marketing, okay, which is going to drive your traffic to, at some point, a phone call. Okay, so when you have traffic sending people to a phone number where they're going to call and try to get information, there's three different things that can happen. Okay, so I'm going to start with the worst thing that can happen first. They call and no answer. Okay, worst case scenario. Second thing that could happen: call, machine answers. Okay, so maybe you have a voice, automated answering machine for your firm so that you don't miss calls. Okay, but at least you have something there to catch any call that comes through this phone number. Third thing, which is best case scenario: call and you get a live human talking. Okay, so these are three different scenarios that can happen once traffic is sent to a phone number. All right, again, like I said, number one, the worst thing you can have is no answer at all. Because what happens is you'll have people call in a situation where they need help immediately and they want to get someone on the phone. And if there is no answer, there's usually going to be a person that just keeps on going down the next search result, or the next person they see that they think may be able to help them, because they're not going to wait around to get information on a potential case. Okay, second best scenario, okay, but not the ideal, but second best scenario, and can really be effective, is having a machine answer. Okay, so you can have a machine direct the caller on what to select in terms of what type of case they have, tell them what the business hours are, or maybe send them to an extension. Okay, you can have a machine do that for you. Third and ideal case scenario is you have a live human answering this phone at least during business hours, and even ideally you can have it 24 hours a day. Maybe you have a call center set up or a service set up where a human will always answer the phone. Okay, if you do 2 or 3, okay, if you're at 1 for now, you're gonna notice that you're gonna have a certain number of calls, right, that come through. If you go from 1 to 2, that number is going to increase. It's going to go up. If you go from 1 to 3, it's going to go up even further. Okay, because a live human can convert someone a lot quicker than your machine can. Okay, however, if no one answers, you've lost this altogether. Okay, so this is a quick, easy, and commonly overlooked way to increase your client intake in your law firm. Okay, so really look at this process within your firm and see how you're handling inbound calls. Okay, that's going to do a lot for your conversion, and you'll notice if you're tracking those calls, you'll start to get more if you implement this game plan. All right, this has been Steve with Momentum Marketing. Hope you all have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.